there, guys. I don't know if you can see the excitement on my face. I'm very excited to show y'all something really cool. 1957 Chevy Bel Air, 4-door hardtop, black with red interior. This thing is just smoking hot. Great cruiser. Came in, it already had a nice Chevy 350 in it, overdrive transmission. What we got to do to it is add a vintage air kit. Using factory controls. Nice tucked away underneath the dash. Came out really clean. Cleaned up the engine bay, all the wiring. New compressor, new alternator, new condenser in front of that big radiator. This thing stays cool in the summer. Ice cold AC. We were getting 49 degrees out of the register. That's cold. It's ice cold. So there it is, 57 Chevy Bel Air, beautiful car. We'll go take it for a test drive.